guys, welcome to Math Mode. Today we'll be learning all about powers, or it's called exponents. If you ever see a number where it's a number then a little number on top, that's just a power. So we're going to first run through what are powers and what do the little numbers at the top mean. So here we have 3 to the power of 0. Anything to the power of 0 would just equal 1. Even if it was a billion to the power of 0, it would just equal 1. And here, if we have 4 to the power of 1, that would be 4. Since anything to the power of 1, it's just timesing that number. It's just that number because there's nothing to times it by. So, even a trillion would just be a trillion. Now, 5 to the power of 2 here. Since this is to the power of 2, means you have to times 5 2 times. So 5 to the power of 2 would be 5 times 5, which equals 25. Now we have 6 to the power of 3. So anything to the power of 3, we'll just add an extra digit. When you write it, it's always good to remember 3, which means there must be 3 6s. So now we have 6 times 6 times 6. Now we have power of 4, which just goes on 7 times 7 times 7 times 7, all the way up to whatever number you want. So now we're just going to do some harder questions. So we have here 8 to the power of something equals 64. What would x equal? So if you remember, 8 times what? Maybe 8 times 8 times 8. No, that's too many. So 8 times, maybe it's just 8 times 8. So that's just 2. X equals 2 because 8 times 8 would be 64. Now 4 to the power of 3 plus 4 to the power of 2. So 4 to the power of 3, that would be, so you would do 16, that would be 30, 64 I mean. And then 4 to the power of 2, 16. Add them both up, that is 80. We won't have time for this one. I'll see you again in another video where we learn all about integers. And thanks to Jai and Kyla for giving me the idea about this video. Bye!